respected principal sir, headmaster sir, senior master sir, worthy teachers, members of the jury, president, timekeeper, and all my dear friends. Today excited and very representing the son of tigers, I would like to speak on the example topic given to me, our armed forces. This regarding India is a country with more than 120 crore population and its security and its security is a major concern. Indian Defence Forces consists of three major forces. They are Indian Army, Indian Air Force, and Indian Navy. Indian Army, it's the second largest army in the world after China. Indian Army has been facing India is facing the major threats from our neighboring countries such as Pakistan and China. And Indian Army it has got a major role to play in UN peacekeeping mission. It has helped in peacekeeping mission in Congo, and it has also helped in disaster management during flood times, and it has also helped in a lot of rescue missions. Speaking about its induction, India has got its instance efforts which are produced indigenously by India. Speaking about Indian Air Force, Indian Air Force is the fourth largest air force in the world, and it's a force to reckon with. It has got major fighter jets such as Mirage from France, and it is going to buy Rafale from France and Insas and Sukhoi from Russia. The Russian president has agreed to give us 42 new Sukhois. And India has also been successful in producing indigenously built Tejas. India is a country of India is a peninsular country, and it has nearly three-fourths of its border surrounded by the Navy. And due to this, Indian Navy, speaking about it, it's the fifth largest navy in the world, or with one aircraft carrier, that is Virat. It has even the Indian Navy has inducted a nuclear submarine by name INS Aryan, and it is by the end of the year 2013 we are going to get another aircraft carrier by name INS Vikramaditya. And speaking about Indian Armed Forces, we are lacking a lot. We are spending a lot in induction and buying the arms from the foreign countries. It has been India has been major. It is a superpower in terms of production of missiles. India has been successful in producing missiles such as BrahMos and Agni series, which proves its might over the world in terms of production of missiles. Indian Armed Forces are lacking in number of officers, which is nearly 1,000. What our armed forces need to do is India has been the largest importer of arms from different countries. What we need to do is we need to produce arms from our own. We need to produce arms indigenously. Thus, in my conclusion, I would like to say that India, this indigenous building of arms is a major concern, and Indian government should take drastic steps to increase the indigenous building and to meet the increasing threat from the neighboring countries such as India, such as Pakistan and China. Thank you.